sé fáma bhúra nach bhaim cead cuairte in san gleann tá nuaig nach ina mín mo grá.
Díomh bhcóide, clárnaí ar gáin is anam dom, agus tám an seo an nuamh sa bhaile I maileann Skellig Cúnta Chiarraí. Hello there, my name is Claire Horgan. I'm a singer and I'm here in Ballinskelligs, County Kerry on the beautiful Iveragh Peninsula. I'm delighted to be joining forces with some other fantastic singers in bringing to your attention a most worthy cause. This week alone there are almost 10,000 people who are homeless in the Republic of Ireland, and the numbers of those in Ireland living below the poverty line comes out at a staggering 700,000. In response to this dire situation, a gentleman from Gweedore, County Donegal, called Eamon Coyle, has created this wonderful féileadh, or calendar, for the coming year 2021. Each page of this calendar features some beautiful shots from around Ireland, from Eamon's own collection. Each page has a seanchal, or an old Irish saying, to accompany each month. The Old Irish lettering, or the Sean Clo Gaelic, is a particularly attractive feature of the calendar, and the calendar is unique in that it is entirely through Irish. Nonetheless, it's equally accessible for Irish and non-Irish speakers alike. All proceeds from the sale of this calendar go directly to the St. Vincent de Paul Society and to the Peter McVerry Trust, two of Ireland's lifeline charities. I would like to thank you very much in advance for your generous support of this project by sharing this video, by purchasing a calendar. As you can see, it is the perfect gift for any of your friends or family, whether they're at home or abroad. Go raibh míle maith agaibh go léir.
Is I quim on tidahi, is I merabinahi, beltani dilish, is fiaul shilon. Bovin a lamagombis nang laun teruignas, na kelur kuicha, na gonene. Ach, barlom hene, damelam an stovan, na laven uchter e klanne gwe. Sinne